tools you'll need for your wall mount handrail installation are a stud finder, a tape measure, a drill gun, and a 5/32 inch drill bit, a Phillips bit, and included with your packaging will be 6 stainless steel screws. Okay, your first step is to determine the location and the height of your handrail. So, commercial code would be between 34 and 38 inches. I tend to go 36 inches because that's where your typical doorknob height is. But, that being said, you can actually set the handrail at whatever height best suits the user. Our next step is to locate the studs. Now, when you hold up the wall mount handrail, you'll notice that this side is going to easily connect to the studs. This side is going to be into drywall, and that is not a safe way to install your handrail. So what we're going to need to do in this situation is install a wall board, and I'll show you that step next. So now that we've determined that we need a wall board, let me show you how to put that in place. But first, let me describe it. I recommend about a 20-inch wide by 14-inch tall, 3/4 inch thick wall board. Now you can paint it the same color as your wall so it blends in, you hardly notice it. So what you're going to want to do is set your wall board into place. And remember, we marked this stud here. You're going to want to pre-drill holes along to catch this stud. And on this side, I've already went ahead and marked this stud. You're going to want to pre-drill holes to line up with this stud. And then all we have to do is screw it in. Now that we have the wall board securely fastened, we will set the railing in place, mark the holes, pre-drill the holes, and now it's time to install the rail. Once the installation is complete, you're all set to navigate your stairs with greater safety and peace of mind. If you have any questions about the installation or the product itself, please feel free to contact me.